Welcome back to Overheat, BYD Motorhome 2026, luxury on wheels, innovation, and sustainability. Outside, aerodynamic and functional for maximum fuel electricity economy. The design will combine BYD's contemporary aesthetics with aerodynamic functionality. Complete LED lighting standard features will include adjustable LED headlights and taillights. There will be plenty of natural light and wide-ranging vistas inside thanks to the large windows and perhaps several skylights. Smart accessibility. A smart locking system and an automated staircase may be installed in the entryway. The integration of external storage will be smooth. Interior premium and sustainable materials. BYD will make use of materials that are long-lasting, strong, and ecologically friendly. The living space features a huge multimedia screen and swivel ergonomic seating. A versatile space featuring a foldable dining table, a sofa that doubles as a bed, and lots of concealed storage. Kitchen, full-size refrigerator, microwave, sink, induction cooktop, and plenty of room for food prep. Most likely, there is an integrated water filtering system. A sturdy mattress on a fixed bed. Smart storage, overhead cabinets will be used to store items in every available space. High-power electric motors, a number of electric motors that provide rapid torque and seamless acceleration will be employed for propulsion. Effective internal combustion engines. When necessary, highly efficient gasoline or diesel engines will act as range extenders by directly powering the wheels and/or charging the batteries. At the core of the system will be BYD's well-known Blade battery, which provides long cycle life, high energy density, and safety. Options for intelligent to WD and for WD drivetrains will probably be available to improve the vehicle's capacity to traverse more difficult terrain. Complete connectivity includes smartphone integration, 5G connectivity, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. Comfort and sustainability are improved by the water filtration and instant hot water system.